In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an update query in Microsoft Access. An update query lets you modify existing records in bulk so you can change values across many rows at once without editing each record manually. It's powerful, and because it's powerful, we'll take a careful, step-by-step approach. Start by opening your database, then go to the Create tab at the top and choose Query Design. Access will open the design window and display the Show Table dialog. Select the table you want to change, click Add, and then Close to move into the grid. Next, add the fields you plan to update. In the field list, double-click each target field and you'll see them appear in the grid at the bottom. You can also include fields you don't want to update but plan to use as filters. Just leave their update value blank and use them for criteria only. Now convert this to an update query. On the ribbon, click Update under Query Type. You'll notice a new row in the grid called Update To. This is where you define the new value or expression for each field you're changing. Type your new values directly in the Update To cells. For text, use quotes, like USA. For numbers, no quotes are needed. You can use expressions such as price 1.1 to increase prices by 10%, or date to set a date field to today. If you're setting a fixed date, you can enter it as a date literal, like March 1/1/2026. Make sure your values match the field's data type to avoid errors. To control which records are affected, use the criteria row. This step is optional but very important. Enter a condition that identifies the rows you want to change. For example, country equals Germany. Only records matching the criteria will be updated. If you leave criteria blank, every record in that table will be changed, so double-check this before proceeding. Before running the update, it's smart to preview. Temporarily switch the query type to Select on the ribbon to see which rows would be impacted without making any changes. When you're satisfied, switch back to Update. When ready, click Run. Access will prompt you with how many records will be updated. Review that number carefully, then confirm to proceed. A few critical tips to finish. You cannot undo an update query, so make a backup copy of your database before running it. Always preview with a select query first to reduce risk. And if you're updating multiple fields, verify each update to expression and your criteria to ensure the results are exactly what you expect.